Hey everyone, Aussie Viking here for another unboxing of the MetalCrate. It took about an extra week or so considering how we usually get them, but you know, I hear it's a good one, so I don't care. Let's open her up. You know what? Just gonna use the old-fashioned way. Sometimes you need help when it comes to everything. Alright. Let's have a look. What do we get? Alright. Let's... Oh, that's awesome. Oh, okay. My Voos fell over. Is that everything? That's everything. Really sure that's everything. Alright. First up, we get literally one of the best cozies you can ever get. A Cannibal Corpse cozy. That is absolutely sick. And then there's the pin in there. But yeah, that is amazing. I love it. That's a great album too. Butchered at Birth, I think it is. Yeah. But that is sick. Honestly, these guys give some of the best coasters. Doilies, coasters, whatever you want to call it. They're awesome. Next up, we get a... You can see that. It's, I think it's black metal. It looks like... It looks very black metal, but I'm not too sure about who it's from. But if you can see that, it looks alright. It looks cool. I mean, I'll still wear it. I'm gonna chuck it on my battle jacket, because why not? Alright, what else we get? We get obviously two CDs. They don't give the patches anymore. At least they haven't been giving patches in a while, which I kind of hate, because I like the patches. Alright, we got Dark Forest, The Lawmaster's Time, The End of Colors, which is obviously then EP and The Lawmasters. That's definitely black metal. That's absolutely black metal. I like black metal. I'll take it. And then we've got Vetra's The Dark Horizon. That one I'm not sure. It looks progressive, maybe? Maybe? I'm not sure. But it looks nice. It looks nice. So I'll take that. 100% take that. And then we get the shirt. I love these things. Alright. What have we got with the shirt? Oh, that's sick as hell. That is sick. I don't know what it says, but that's sick. How awesome is that? Like, it's like a knight, undead knight. I have no idea what it says. They're definitely a black metal band, I imagine. Or a death metal. Magmia? I have no idea what it says, but guess what? It is awesome. I love it. 10 out of 10. Honestly, I think this is great. That alone, that's worth it. That's pretty cool. And obviously the t-shirt, like, it's all worth it, honestly. And I love that because you get some good stuff. So obviously check it out. MetalCrate. All about metal, really. It would be nice if, I mean, depending, because obviously they do crossover stuff. Black Death, like they do the variations of genres as well. I reckon they should do a punk one as well. That'd be nice. I'd get that. Anything with the Misfits. Love the Misfits. Anyway, that is Aussie Viking out. I shall see you on Valhalla. Have a good one. Bye.